Type the desired name in the username column you want to create. Next, type the kit serial number by seeing the label on the kit. Select the user type. Select user if you are an individual. Enter the email in which you will receive an OTP. Set a password which includes capital, alphanumeric and a special character. Confirm the password by typing the same. And then click Sign in. Now enter the OTP that's received in the mail ID given. Click Verify OTP. Now log in with your username and password and click Sign in. You can switch from light mode to dark mode by clicking this icon. Click the Profile option and enter the essential details like email, username, birth date, mobile number, gender and address. You can change your password anytime in this section. Add WhatsApp number in the column and click Save Changes. You can add up to 5 numbers. Kit information shows you the MAC address of the kit with serial number. Saved program lets you to view all the events that are run through the kit previously. In project page, enter the project title and select the input device. Choose the operational command between high and low. Connect the sensor to power and the GPIOs by seeing the simulation and click Next. Then choose the desired output device on the drop-down list box and choose the operational command between high and low. Connect the sensors to the GPIOs by seeing the simulation and click Next. After successfully connecting the input and output, click the Run option. User manual contains all the details of the kit's hardware components and functionalities. It also explains installing the Arduino IDE and integration and programming on the Arduino. Kit videos exhibits all the primary functions of the kit with individual videos that lets the user to explore and create experiments with the IoT kit. Sample programs lets the user to download and learn the programs for the sample experiments and also the library file for Arduino. Templates section lets you to define the specific action for sensors to perform the function and get the defined output data through WhatsApp.